Acord is a nonprofit developer of standard documentation for the purpose of insurance industry communications. Accord forms are widely accepted and in many cases required, and can be obtained directly through Acord with membership. Our product line enhances the functionality of these forms by offering automation in both data input and form output, as well as historical form storage. All of our products include the forms feature, however, you may see differences due to the available program features. For instance, Easy Apps does not have a policy area, so the Fill From Policy function is not an option. Keep in mind that our programs are easily upgradable. If you are interested in a feature that you do not currently have, please contact us for upgrade information or a product demonstration. This subseries will take you through some useful tools which are often overlooked or underutilized. See in this subseries how to access the Forms library, an explanation of old versus new version forms, tips on pre-filling form data to minimize data entry, options for form output, and finally a walkthrough of the certificate holder workflow. Through the Accords videos, you will see referenced valuable information from other videos, such as default limits, email setup, and scheduled database tutorials. Understanding the way data flows into the form will help you to create the most efficient agency workflow. So let's get started.